Hello, good morning. So today we are presenting here something new rather than simplified is just Odoo apps. So it's an integration of the telephony with the Odoo system. Like we see in the Odoo bringing a lot of features every year, right? But something like that every day when our client calls or maybe when have a phone call, support calls, we still have to look at our phones and might be we use different system and then log a note in the system and something like that, right? So that's why we are bringing here the integrations, which is directly integrate your telephony system with the Odoo. So let me start it that. So I'm Randhir Mehta from Carrot IT. We are a gold partner in India. We have also presence as a ready partner in Canada at the moment. This side you can see other logo, Aircall. So this is our telephony partner. We have integrated Aircall with Odoo. Okay, so we go here. So we are almost 9+ year in the industry. These are the something we are doing for Odoo customers in terms of projects. We have 45+ skilled professional in our team which delivering this quality results. And yes, as I said, we are officially partner in India, Canada. We have also presence at Belgium, Netherlands, Congo, and Angola. And if you want to learn more about us, this is our website. And yeah, so let me go with now actual things which we want to present today here. So it's a brief overview of Odoo. With the latest Odoo V18 demand of telephony is also increased. Importance of the telephony in business communication. Benefits of integration in telephony with the Odoo. Okay, so I'm not going on the first point because you people are here since last 2 days, so you know what Odoo and what they are also bringing latest features into Odoo 18 as well, right? So let me start with the third point, I think. And why is the increasing demand? Because like no, in the 2 days presentations you have seen Odoo bringing lot of things with the e-commerce, Odoo bringing lot of things with the CRM. But when we are still seeing the call and telephony, it's outside Odoo, right? And when we say e-commerce, customers call, help desk, support, that demand is day by day increased. And that's why this is something is very useful. Okay, so let me go here. So now little bit introduction I want to give you about Aircall. So Aircall is a customer communication and engagement platform designed for sales support team, serves more than 20,000 customers globally. It's entirely cloud-based voice solution, server in EU, easy to use, reliable and integrated with the CRM. Critical business and conversations tools such as Salesforce, HubSpot, Intercom, Slack, Gong, and many more. And now it's also with the Odoo CRM, Contact and Helpdesk. Okay, and here is a Aircall website if you want to know something more about. Here I want to play a small video, maybe voice I'm not sure because it's coming from computer, so it's not that, but why such integrations required. Okay, so now, so why these integrations and benefits of telephony integrations with the Odoo? Okay, so what we are getting when we are integrating? Okay, so improved customer service support. Definitely when we have a single system, we are saving our energy, time and cost. Comprehensive reporting and analytics we are getting in the single system. Increased productivity because we have to click to call pop-ups in the Odoo. Real-time data synchronization between two systems, so we no need to go to Aircall for call and we no need to for log note or support ticket in the Odoo CRM or Odoo Helpdesk anymore. Streamline workflow and processes, enhance communication within organizations, and definitely when we say within and we are in telephony, so it's outside organizations, our communication will be definitely increased. Okay, and improve customer support, as I said, right? We no need to more sometime raise a go and raise a ticket and we get a reply on 3 days or something like that. Okay. Well, so key features of this particular integrations, what we are bringing in the Odoo, so is a call logging and call recording, built-in dial pad, interactive voice response, click to call functionality, CRM integrations for customer insight, Helpdesk integrations support, incoming and outgoing call, SMS logging, real-time contact set, as I said, we can assign this task lead to any teammates and add to do in between the call. Okay, so what are the requirements for these integrations? Okay, first we need a Odoo version capability. So at the moment we can say Odoo Enterprise, Odoo Community, version 14 to version 17 versions we have at the moment, and might be 18 we will be bring very soon. Supported telephony system like this is for Aircall, and might be maybe more also. Required modules and plugin Odoo, network and hardware prerequisites. Okay. So now how it will be processed, overview is continue go. System preparations, prerequisition check. First we have to do like which plan of the Aircall we are using, same time which versions of the Odoo we are using. Okay, where is our Odoo hosted, it's also we have to check. Installation of necessary module, there is some dependent module that we need to install. Configuration of telephony system in Odoo, again we have to go through that checklist. Testing the integrations and training and deployment. So sometimes the customer using Aircall or may using the Odoo, we have to provide them a training how it's actually integrating between the two systems. Okay, so detail what I said in the previous slide. Here are the detailed steps for integrations, module installation, then Aircall connector telephony module, testing, conduct test call, verify call log and recording. And here step by step we have explained how to use that one. Okay, so here are some real world cases we want to bring where this kind of telephony system can be useful, like customer support center, sales and marketing teams, remote work and virtual offices. As I said, within organizations we can also enhance our communication, case study and success story, online learning platform, real estate industry and such a support, manage candidate interviews, support financial consultation, and definitely in our telephony services. Okay, when we talk about any integrations, definitely there will be a not easy job. Sometimes we face some of the challenges too. So here are some of the highlighted common challenges are there. Might be we have to take care while we are doing the integrations. So common integration challenges, solution, we have to follow the best practices, compressive testing we have to do before we put or deploy in our production server. Sometimes we did mistakes in entering the data, like first time when we are creating accounts, when we entering the phone numbers and so on. So that are the all issues we have to tackle, or we have to be much aware about that when we are talking about the external integrations with the any system. Okay, so now what I said is about telephony, and now after I want to say some of the success stories what we are bringing with this integration. So more than 100 connectors are already used by the various customers in the different Odoo versions, and here are some figures I am bringing. So it's just not a slide where I say 100, but if you see on the Odoo App Store, I just take a data yesterday from the Odoo App Store. So these are the connectors bought via Odoo App Store, I'm installed via Odoo App Store, and some of the still there are some connectors, some customers who are upgrading, and might be some requests we are getting directly. So these are the figures. Okay, and now these are the some biggest brands which are using the Aircall. Well, so you people also spend your this time, and definitely is when you are spending time, we all have expectations. Yeah, why I'm giving my time and what's inside for me. So I have something for you here, and now here are some excited apps which we have made is now free. So people who bought before the October, they had to pay some things for that app. Like if I go back to previous slide, here we had the some prices $190, $290, $298, something like that. But from this October, we are making it is completely free on the Odoo App Store. Okay, so who want to use this Aircall, now even you can save some bucks in your pocket. And next thing is, are you ready for now live demo of this system, right? So I hand over to Parth, and he will be show how it's working system. Just a second. Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, good morning. I am Parth Gedia. As Mr. Randir said, let me demonstrate you the live how Aircall is working now. Yes, so here I am on the Aircall dashboards, and as you can see I have some numbers on the Aircall. So that numbers we have to bring first into our setting, and yeah, as you can see here we have some setup for the Aircall, some tokens and webhooks and all the things we have to set up here. And then after we have 3 apps which is connected with the Aircall and Odoo. First is Helpdesk, Contact and Opportunity. So what is these numbers are? These numbers are something like that. This user can handle the logs and calls for that specific applications in the Odoo. So that's why we have fetch, and we can manage the settings according to that. When incoming call is coming and that number is unknown and that number is not saved into the Odoo, at the time that number is automatically created that as a contact in our Odoo system. So that's why we have given the setting for that also. Yeah, here is one more setting, Helpdesk log note setting. Yeah, if we wants to create the new Helpdesk ticket at the time during the call, then we have given the setting for that also. And if we wants to log note on the existing ticket, so we can do that also. So yes, let me create some context for you guys, and okay. For now I have created this contact for Rob, and yeah, we have make one scheduler so to sync this contact to the Aircall, and that scheduler is running every minute, so it will syncing the Aircall contact to the Aircall in every single minute. But for now I am doing that manually to save our some time. As you can see here, now Rob is synced with the Aircall, and he's ready. His updated contact is also synced with the Aircall. So now let me open the Aircall. Yeah, as you can see here, the Rob is in our Aircall contact list too. So now let me call to the rob.
Just a second. It's here. Okay.
So Rob is receiving this call, and yeah, please pick up the call.
Hello.
Yeah. So during the calls, I have the call insights, and from that I can open the Rob contact as well as the Rob's opportunity if we have, and as well as the ticket also. But yeah, for now we don't have that opportunity, and yeah, we have one opportunity for the Robs, and we have the ticket. We do not have any tickets, so we can create the ticket easily directly from here for that Rob, and the name and the phone number that automatically fetched by the system. Same for the opportunity, and if I would like to add the log note on the opportunity for that call detail, then I just have to make that log note boolean button true. During the call, if I want to add some notes, then I can add notes for the Rob. Hey, this is something related to the call or meeting, etc. During the meeting, if I want to add some text on that note, then I can add this is the urgent meeting or etc. Yeah. And now I'm disconnecting this call. Yeah. So the log note and the call detail will comes into the opportunity as well as on the contact, but again it is taking just 1 minute for us, so I'm scheduling that cron again. Yeah. As you can see here, all the call details on the Rob now, how much call duration it was, and the waiting time, the talking time, and as well as the notes and text is here on the specific contact.
Recording.
Yeah. And here we have Aircall detail tab, and in that tab we are showing the same details like for that call, and as well as we have the recording options there. That recording we are saving onto the Aircall side, and we are moving that specific person to that Aircall dashboard. So from there they can hear the recording also. And if there is some extra detail like more than one phone numbers and email, they can store it here into the Odoo side, as well as they can sync to the Aircall side too. Same thing, we have made separate view for the Aircall. Like there we can see the Aircall calling details for all the contacts and the opportunities and the help desk. Yeah, so same functionality is working for the outgoing call as well as the incoming call.
That you don't need to change anything there, right? Okay.
As you can see, I have dialed from here and I am receiving into the Odoo. Same thing will happen during the call. I can easily receive the call into the Odoo also, and I can talk with the person. And yeah, as you can see here, the different number. So for this number, it will automatically create the contact into the Odoo too. Now I'm just disconnected the call, and let me schedule that. As you can see here, new contact is created in Odoo, and as well as this is also synced with the Aircall. Yeah, that's it from my side.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So thank you for your time, and this was all integrations. Now I think we move back to our slideshow. And yeah, so that what we see, summary and key points, ranges of benefits of integration, and next step for contact informations. We are also available for further discussion at hall number 7, booth H7. And yes, still I think we have some time. If you people have any questions related to it, you may be asked, and so Odoo team help us to get questions, and maybe we try to answer.
So thank you guys for this presentation, and I will ask you some questions that the auditors have.
So
You don't hear
cannot
me?
Yeah,
No.
I can hear you now, I think.
And now you can hear me now?
A little bit more.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
perfectly.
Okay, thank you.
So thank you guys for this presentation. The auditors have some questions for you. So the first one is how to get call recordings.
Call with record.
Recording
rec-
the call. Yeah.
Okay, recording in the call. Okay, so as we have shown, we are storing the recording of call in the Aircall server, because we are in the European Union, and maybe it's a GDPR and all that compliance. So we are not storing any recording in the Odoo at the moment, but from Odoo we have a link which redirect to the your recording in the Aircall, and from Aircall dashboard or Aircall whatever the client have their Aircall account, from there they can see and listen that recordings.
Okay. So the next one is what if we have Cisco or other legacy systems?
For that, it's a bit maybe tough questions for me as well. I'm not sure what to answer. My knowledge on that is limited, but maybe from Aircall team people are there, so might be they can help. But yes, so might be we discuss that separately at our booth.
So the next one is what is the maintenance cost for custom lines of code?
Sorry.
What is the maintenance cost
Maintenance cost.
for custom lines of code?
Custom line of code. Okay, so I think it's again a discussion point, and it's depend on that, like what customizations we want, because it's again two-way discussion. In the Aircall, like sometimes customers comes with their specific requirement, but we have to check with the Aircall as well, it is a feasible or not, and same time we have to check with the Odoo as well, we can do it or no. And time to time when we are getting the lot of feedbacks, same feedbacks from various customers, we are automatically improving in our this integrations. Like in past we have version 1 of the Aircall, it had a limited functionality, but now just this month when we are making this app free, we have released the version 2, so it has all this functionality. But yeah, if it's still coming the some specific requirement we discuss, but otherwise common challenges and common requests we will be take as a standard part, and we will be upgrade our integration continually.
So thank you. The next one is no call transcription available.
Sorry.
No call transcription available for the moment.
I think no.
Sorry,
No
what
call. I think I'm not getting it. Maybe
The
quick.
question is not that clear. Can you please repeat?
Sorry, I don't hear you. What did you say?
Yeah, please repeat.
So no call transcription or
No call.
transcription, yes, are available for the moment.
No.
No. I think no. Not at the moment. Yes. Not at the
Oh,
moment.
okay. So the next one is which numbers can be integrated in the system? Should we buy the numbers from the telecom provider and then integrate into Aircall?
Okay.
For
Yeah. Okay. So Aircall is a providing number, and I think Parth, we can show a list from Aircall which are the country numbers they have. So here in this Aircall website, you can see these are the countries where Aircall providing numbers.
So the next one, which countries can use this integration?
Yeah. So that's why, like, no, these are the countries where Aircall have the presence, and they are providing the numbers. So these countries are using the numbers. I mean, Aircall and this integrations. Like we are from India, but still Aircall have no presence in India, and according to the maybe local guidelines, they are not able to feasible. So we cannot use for Indian clients.
So the other one, I don't have a lot of information, but the question is, what is done with the new version of Odoo?
New versions of the Odoo.
The new updates of Odoo, the new version of Odoo.
Okay, I think it's a question related to Odoo, and in version 18 they are bringing a lot of things as we see in the website, in CRM and accounting. Like yesterday I was watching one of talk, there is a especially one of the features I have noticed is work in progress in the accounting, but it's different sessions going on by the whole Odoo team for the what's new in Odoo.
Okay, so the last one that I have for the moment, is there an additional cost with Aircall? Additional cost?
Yeah, maybe we can just go to the Aircall pricing page. Yes, so like for example, you using the Odoo, and we are paying for Odoo's cost according to our hosting, our number of users and Odoo license. But when we are integrating with the Aircall, so definitely Aircall is a separate telephony integrator provider, and they have their plans, and you can see it here.
So thank you guys for this answer.
Yeah, okay, so thank you all for attending, and yeah, please, okay.